Folks, we're so excited to welcome you to week 3 of the family winter camp. We are going to be this week talking about winter cooking outside and various skills that way. Our instructor will be Kevin Card, and we're really excited because he's going to be showing us all kinds of great things. These are just some things that I have at my house. This is obviously something that we can use February 1st through the 3rd. This, of course, is just the grill in my backyard. I'm turning on all the burners. Light that baby. There we go. There's the flames cooking. Or another thing that may be touched on this week by Kevin, of course, is Dutch ovens. Dutch ovens you can use with coals that are in your fire pit, or of course you can use briquettes. These are awesome, but they're very heavy to put in a backpack. Another thing that you can cook with is, of course, a rocket stove. Some rocket stoves are huge. This is a portable rocket stove that fits into a backpack, and of course this is just the container for it. This is the Emberlite from Utah. Kevin's going to be touching bases on all kinds of things, and so what I would encourage you to do is tune in on Thursday night, the 18th of January, and watch as Kevin teaches us how to do various types of cooking outdoors, because that's one of the things that you're going to be doing February 1st through the 3rd. Have a great day. Bye-bye.